If you're thinking about automating your trades but don't know where to start, Option Alpha says you can build trading bots with zero coding. Sounds dreamy, right? But is it really that easy or just another overcomplicated platform hiding behind slick marketing? I spent time inside Option Alpha's ecosystem to find out more for myself. This platform lets you build visual, role based strategies. Think if price goes up, then sell this spread. The magic is in the drag and drop editor and massive strategy library. Back testing tools are built in so you can stimulate trades before risking real money. It's great if you already understand options and want to remove emotion from trading. But the premium features come with a price tag, and some brokers aren't supported. If you're a total beginner, the learning curve can be steep. Still, for disciplined traders who love automation and rule based strategies, Option Alpha delivers real value. And that's how you figure out if Option Alpha is worth your time. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe to How to Literally for more.